Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the natural gas price has moved in the last week and how the natural gas price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, a support has come at around a level of $5.2. As you can see the trend line, this level is already being tested here twice, so you can see a W pattern is forming here. Okay, but otherwise if you look at this, M pattern is forming, so probability was very high that if this level come again, so it can move further upside. Okay, but if this level sustain, then we can see it can move upside. But if the price goes below a level of 5.9, there is high chances it can go further down, because there is a pattern forming opposite M pattern, you can say. Okay, where the support being tested, so probability of moving further down is on the higher side. Blue pattern, that resistance have tested twice, so it can move upside if the price goes for the third time upside. But as we can see, it is M pattern, so probability of going further down is on the higher side. Before we move forward and explain you the natural gas price can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Now look at this particular chart. Suppose if the price overall trend is on the upper side, because this level is, if you look at this particular zone, this is from the third week, we have seen it is constantly on the upper side. Suppose if the price sustain this level, the next resistance we can see is coming at around $6.601. Okay, and if the price sustain above that level, then there's high chances it can go further upside towards a level of $6.847. Okay, and if the price move up that level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $6.971, and from there we can see it can move further upside, because $6.917 is a weak resistance, so chances are very high that we can see it can cross this particular level and can touch a level of around 7.2, and 7.2 is again a resistance which is already weak, so chances of moving further upside and can touch a level of around $7.463, and if that level also sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of $7.543, and from there we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $8.154. Okay, and if that level also sustain, then you can see a trend toward further high and a probability of going towards a level of around 8.9 will be there if the price sustain a level of 8.5. But as we know that the market is very volatile, as you can see, the natural gas, because of the war, CPI data, US dollars getting strengthened, all these factors affecting the price of natural gas. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can move further low towards a level of $6.256, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of $5.886. Okay, and if the price move below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $5.689, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around $5.269. Okay, and these levels, $5.269 is a weak support, so chances of moving further down is on a higher side and can touch a level of $5.171, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of $4.9. Suppose if the price didn't sustain that particular level also, then we can see it can touch a level of $4.801 to a level of 4.6, and if the price move below that level, then we can see it can move further down, because chances are very high that if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can move further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.